Look at this. What the fuck? He's struggling so much, they just give him a free bite. Look at the nuts on this. What's up, YouTube? It's B-Dog back with another video. And guys, I think I ran into a problem. My 350Z, every time I've been starting it, unfortunately, it's been like squeaking, like something up front is squeaking every time I start it, every time I put it in neutral, it like squeaks really bad for some reason. I think it's one of the belts, or it's one of like the little bearings that the belts are like spinning on. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. We cleaned it the other day. The rims are still looking pretty good. I might go see how much that Greenwork stuff is, because like I said in the other video, it gets like the rest of that brake dust off, but I'm not too worried about it. But look, boys, every time I start this thing, right? So look, clutching, let it sit for a sec. What is that? That thing will go for a while too. I don't know what it is. Like, look. I think it's that belt right there. I don't know, I can't tell. But like recently, every time I start the car, it's been doing that. Really annoying, really embarrassing, but y'all let me know how to get that fixed, or if it's an easy fix, I can try to do it myself. Oh, and of course, we got no gas. They ain't got no gas in it. Bro, this music's gonna get me copyrighted, bro. Up to a little pawn shop. I bought a new iPhone. I don't have enough money to pay it off yet, but I'm going to make a payment on it. Look at all that traffic, man. Jeez, bro. Look at that country boy. Jeez. That thing was low-key kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna get through this traffic. I'm not waiting, boy. Y'all boys need to come to the best pawn shop around town. All right. Man, look at that hair, boy. It's alright. That's why we brought the hat. I don't know what brand this is, but it's low-key fire. That's why we brought the hat, because anytime I wear the GoPro, guys, y'all know if you make car content, you put this GoPro strap on your head and your hair is fucking sauced. But anyways, I'm gonna go in here and make this little payment real quick. I'm gonna be right back. Guys, what the fuck is going on around here, bro? Look how many bags that guy has, bro. Man. Alright. Anyways, we walking in the best pawn shop now. Hello. Anyways, this is like the best pawn shop around, guys. Y'all need to come in here. They got everything. Look at all this. Got guns, everything. Look, they got like a bunch of jewelry. Look at the little alligator in there. They got the rings, pendant. Is it though? Bunch of jewelry. They got a bunch of tools too. Like, look at all these tools. Dang. Some more rings. All the music stuff. Oh. Man. Ooh, Tomb Raider's a good PSP game. I don't know if y'all ever played that. That thing's fire. Guys, that dude I saw on the way in, they just gave him a free bike. Cause he was struggling so much, they just gave him a free bike. Alright, y'all, we are leaving the pawn shop and I need to get gas very bad. As you can see, we're about to run out of gas. This thing burns gas like crazy. And then I gotta pick up a package from the Madre's house. And yeah. Man, dude, I can't get over that guy with all those bags. Struggling, man. 7-Eleven right up here. Traffic. Alrighty, we at the 7-Eleven. We out here getting gas. Like, you know, we take that 93. Woo. Just threw a little 20 bucks in, just enough to get me around. I think it's like 60 or 70 to fill the tank, which is honestly kind of ridiculous. But filling up. Well, why'd you stop? I know I told him to put 20 in, not $9. All right, there we go. $18, $19, come on. I know we can do it. Just trying to get gas. Hey. And there we go, 20 bucks. All right. Whoa, big ass airplane. Yo, look at this. What the fuck? Yo, that's wild. What the fuck? Alright. Good to go. Got the speed bumps coming up. Bro, your car is not low. What? What was that? Oh. Alright, we put up to mama's crib. I gotta back this in here. Ooh. That's good enough. Oh shit, he's backing out. I didn't even see him. Yeah, I'm good. Woo, jeez, gotta throw that hat back on. Hell no. Anyways, made it to mom's. I'm gonna go pick up the little package. Guys, this is my mom's cat, Cheddar. He's a little feisty one. He doesn't want me to hold him right now.
Oh. Hi, Cheddar, Ched.
Look.
Cheddar cheese. Like that. Like that.
He's playing with the GoPro strap. How old is he?
5.5 months.
Look at the nuts on this cat. Come on, Cheddar, turn around. He is going to turn around. Look at his nuts, bro. God damn.
These nuts. These nuts. Look at those. Ow. Ow. Oh.
Alright guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Help me out. I think I'm at like 120 subscribers now. Still shooting for that 500 subscriber goal. And yeah, just drop a subscribe. Help me out, please. Help me upgrade the Z. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.